Vegetative propagation in potato, Bryophyllum and aquatic plant. Aim: to study vegetative propagation in potato, Bryophyllum and an aquatic plant. Introduction. Vegetative propagation is a form of asexual reproduction where new plants grow from parts of the parent plant without the use of seeds. This method allows for quicker plant reproduction and results in offspring that are genetically identical to the parent plant, ensuring consistency in traits and promoting faster growth.
This cutting is placed in a suitable growing medium with the right conditions, including humidity and temperature, to develop roots. Once roots form, it can be potted, eventually growing into an identical new rose plant. If a branch of Miriam plant touches moist soil, a new plant takes root. Here is an explanation of this statement. When a branch of the Miriam plant touches moist soil, it has the remarkable ability to develop roots and eventually grow into a new, independent plant. In other words, it can propagate itself vegetatively through a process called rooting. Citrus fruits can grow by joining two stems from different plants. The statement describes a method of propagating or grafting citrus fruit trees. Let me break down the statement for a better understanding. Grafting in citrus plant growth involves physically connecting two separate stems from different plants, ensuring consistent fruit quality and yield, a common horticultural method for propagating fruit trees. Strawberries reproduce through stolons, which are long, slender stems. Stolons, or runners, are horizontal stems that strawberries use to create new plants. These slender stems grow along the ground, developing roots and forming small new plants. They are vital for strawberry reproduction.
Materials required. To conduct this observation, gather the following materials: old tubers of potato, mature leaves of Bryophyllum with young adventitious buds, an aquatic plant, Eichhornia. Procedure. Potato tuber examination. Focus on the small eyes or stem nodes from which new plants can grow. As we closely examine one eye, observe as it begins to sprout, developing roots and leaves. This illustrates the process of vegetative propagation in potatoes. Bryophyllum leaf examination. Examine the mature leaf of Bryophyllum and observe the small adventitious buds located along the edges. Each bud has the potential to develop into a new plant, forming roots, shoots, and small leaves. Upon contact with the soil, these buds detach from the leaf mature plants and begin to grow into fully mature plants. Eichhornia observation. Observe the aquatic plant Eichhornia and take note of the offsets, which are short shoots that emerge from the parent plant. These offsets give rise to new plants. An offset is a small, nearly complete daughter plant that is naturally and asexually produced on the mother plant, in this case, Eichhornia. Observation. Vegetative propagation in all three plants occur through distinct structures. Potatoes propagate through eyes, also known as axillary buds. An axillary bud is an embryonic shoot located at the junction of the stem and petiole of a plant. Bryophyllum reproduces through adventitious buds on its leaves. Eichhornia propagates through offsets. Conclusion. Vegetative propagation is a quick and efficient method of plant reproduction, ensuring genetic consistency and faster growth. This process is vital for the survival and spread of many plant species, as demonstrated in potatoes, Bryophyllum, and Eichhornia.